In today's video, we're exploring 3 fantastic icon packs for Android. Let's dive in and see what each one has to offer. MiDark Icon Pack. MiDark Icon Pack is a beautifully designed icon pack that features a sleek, dark aesthetic suitable for users who prefer a minimalist and modern look for their Android devices. This icon pack includes thousands of high-quality icons that are meticulously crafted to provide a cohesive appearance across your apps. It supports various launchers, making it easy to apply and customize your home screen. In addition to the icons, MiDark often includes wallpapers that complement the icon designs, allowing users to create a unified theme for their device. MiLight Icon Pack. MiLight Icon Pack offers a vibrant and colorful selection of icons, perfect for users who want to add a lively touch to their Android device. This pack includes a wide range of icons with a flat design style, ensuring compatibility with most apps. The MiLight Icon Pack is designed to enhance the visual appeal of your home screen and app drawer while maintaining clarity and readability. The pack also provides regular updates, adding new icons over time and ensuring users have access to the latest app designs. MiLight White Icon Pack. MiLight White Icon Pack is a variant of the MiLight series that emphasizes a clean and bright aesthetic. Featuring predominantly white icons with subtle color accents, this icon pack is ideal for users who prefer a lighter, more airy look for their devices. The design maintains the same high-quality and stylish approach as the original MiLight Icon Pack, making it easy to integrate into any theme. Like its counterparts, the MiLight White Icon Pack supports various launchers and offers a range of icons that cater to different applications, ensuring a stylish and cohesive home screen experience. Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments which icon pack you're excited to try. Until next time, happy customizing. Until next time, happy